Incorporate, incorporate, incorporate. Alright, let's unpack the word incorporate. It might sound complex, but it just means bringing things together in a specific way. Imagine building some video game. You can incorporate different elements to make it awesome. Here's how incorporate can be used. First, forming a business. This refers to legally establishing a business entity like an LLC or corporation. Think of incorporating your startup to gain legal protections and structure. Second, merging entities. It signifies officially combining two existing entities into one. Imagine two tech companies incorporating to expand their market reach. Third, including something new. It can also mean adding a new element as an integral part of something else. This would involve incorporating sustainability practices into your company's production process. Typically, incorporate is used in context involving formal structures, procedures, or including elements strategically. It signifies a deliberate and planned action.